Hello guys, I have a unique kind of video that I want to talk about. This is more of just a rant, more just conversation type of style video for all the traders out there. But what I have noticed when I was journaling and my back test and a lot of things I've been doing in trading, one of the biggest mistakes that I did when I wasn't profitable is switching multiple strategies and not sticking to one strategy alone. And when I mean that, there's millions of strategies out in the market, and it's going to overwhelm you, and you're going to be like, which one is the best? And if you're a perfectionist, you can't handle losses, and when you take a loss, you're like, well, this strategy sucks. I'm going to go to another strategy, and this one don't. And there's nothing that's going to satisfy you because losses happen, and when you get a loss, you're going to think this strategy don't work. There's a lot of things that I want to encourage you. I want to say first, do a strategy that matches your personality. There is definitely some strategies that are better than others. There's definitely strategies that are just not good at all. And if you back test them, that's really what's going to really make it really good. I have presented a lot of strategies. I stick to just these couple strategies in my Discord that I promote about. And if you're in my Discord, you know them. But I like to look for either bottom reversals, beaten down stocks, or I trade with the trend. And then my day trading strategy is obviously my favorite, how I make money every day. But when you're looking into things, I had a lot of people be like, I'd be like in a 10-win streak, and then I get one win. I get people saying, "Oh man, see, this is too good to be true. This strategy don't work anymore." And I'm like, did you lose your whole account on one loss, right? What's going on there? My win ratios are actually insane, and I've tried so many strategies out there. I've been in lots of educations. I've read lots of books, and nothing's going to be perfect out there. People can claim things. They can say this is the secret sauce, and it does not exist. So it really just comes down to what's your personality. Do you like, for me, an example, I love oversold type patterns. I like to buy low and sell high. I have a very unique strategy in selling options for my day trading. And I'm a more of a conservative player. If you like risky strategies, then you're going to be in a more of a risky thing where your win ratio is going to be low, but your R&R, which is your risk versus reward, should be really high. So when you win, it should be really big gains. And so I just want to encourage everyone is to stick to one strategy. And there's so much you could do more if you just keep practicing, honing in on it. Because if you've done a strategy countless and countless times, I've been doing these strategies for a couple years now, mine, and I have it down to the bat where I've seen the pattern so many times. I've seen it happen all the time, where I feel so confident to go in it. Whereas if you keep switching strategies, it's going to give you anxiety. You're going to be like, sometimes, should I go on this? Should I not? And then should I go in this other strategy? Someone alerted this, but on this other strategy, it's bearish. This other strategy is bullish. It's going to wipe you out, and you're going to get, tons and tons of losses doing that. And the reason why I know that, because I've done that. I first, for new beginners, the first thing they do is they just copy trade people. They think the success in trading is, I'm just going to follow this guy. He's got a massive following, and I'm going to make bank. And then when time comes to trouble, they have no risk management. So they keep putting all their account on the trades, or they just keep averaging down. And to the point where one trade will blow your account, and they'll be like, well, this strategy don't work. And it probably sounds familiar for a lot of us. We all probably really done that. We all probably started in there because we have no idea what's going on in the market, or we don't know how to trade, so we try to make an easy way out and try to copy trade, and that just don't work. What I firmly teach in my Discord is you gotta have the education first. Of course, I'm going to give out alerts because I want people to know why I'm taking the trade. Some people are very busy, but if you don't know the foundation of why you're taking these trades, you should not be taking them, period. And so I want people to look at a chart and watch my systems if you like mine. But it's just one of the biggest things that I looked at. My biggest losses were because I was switching so many strategies. I had so many strategies, and the problem is you're going to conflict with things. You're going to get bullish signals here, bear signals here, and it's just going to give you anxiety. If you guys really do want to get analysis, really, get the education you want, I firmly believe this is the only strategy you need. And I'm speaking from experience. If this has made me a full-time trader, why not give it a shot? Why not just tone in on it? I mean, I'm literally living proof of this strategy has made me a really nice, comfortable life. It is super easy. It's not overcomplicated. I go in the market, I look at my stuff, and I go in, does this fit the system or not? There's no FOMO or nothing. When you've done it for a while, you just don't care about anything else other than what does the system tell you, and you stick right to it. And I have all the education you guys need. Everything you need to know to get exactly what I'm doing is in my swing trading education and day trading education. And my day trading is absolutely on fire. I have literally lost two times in January, and I have not lost a single time in February. And I'm really just looking forward to it. Like I said, some strategies are better than others, but once it fits your personality, keep doing it, practicing it, and I'm living proof, and lots of other testimonies in here in the Discord are living proof of this strategy does work as long as you're willing to stick with it. The more you stick with it, the better you're going to get at it, all right? Do what you want, but I promise you, you're going to be searching for years and years and years. There's not a perfect recipe in trading. There's not a perfect, oh, look at this indicator. It's going to alert me buy and sells. I'm going to be a millionaire if, I exactly follow this and that. And, there's so much more in trading, right? And I try to, make it where risk management is so crucial, where once you lock that in, have a strategy, it's just a probabilities game. You throw die out, and some strategies have better edge. I'm a more conservative strategy. I like to go for high win ratios. If you like high win ratios, you're going to love my strategies. I like very nice conservative profits, base hits, and have insane win ratios. That's what I want. I want the odds to be in my favor, all right? And that's why I sell options for my day trading strat. For my swing trading strat, I look for literally beat down stocks that are going to revert to the mean. I know reversion to the mean is going to happen, so that's a brief example of my strategy. If you guys want to join the Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. If you want to get everything that I have done and learn how I do it, focus on just these two strategies that I teach, you will become a full-time trader. I am living proof of it, and it just blows my mind. I tell people this, and they're like, I can't seem to make money. I keep losing in this. I don't know what to do. I keep going to different mentors. I'm like, just stick over here. Telling you, just give it a try. Give it more than a month. You need a lot more data in here. Some people come in, I lost on a trade. It doesn't work. Give it some time. I'm telling you. I have clear entries and exits, clear exit plans. I tell you guys exactly when I get out. That way I don't let dead money just sit, and I make, my progress every day. Give it some time. I promise you're going to like it. Click the day trade alerts if you want to join the membership for the swing trades and day trades. And guys, if you guys want to try it out, just for this promotional video, you can get it all for $12 a month. You don't like it, leave. It is totally fine. You can even get a refund for your $12 a month. Just contact Discord and be like, hey, I didn't like it, whatever. But I promise you, you have nothing to lose, and you're going to learn a lot, and you're going to stick around here because I'm going to make you guys a full-time trader too. That's my passion, is to let a lot of people be full-time traders, quit your 9-to-5 jobs, doing this simple strategy, and trading is hard. It's going to be like that. It's not going to be easy. Don't try to get the easy way out. They're like, this certain thing is going to make me money. I do this and that. There's always obstacles in trading. If the trading was easy, we all be millionaires. There'd be a perfect recipe. It'd be out on YouTube. But this strategy works. It made me a full-time trader. It can do it for you too. It doesn't even matter what your account size is. I promise you, I have a strategy for it, for no matter what your account is. All right, so if you do subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee, and you're gonna change your life around with this. And if you have an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer, as they're having issues with Android. But I just wanted to make this video because I want to get personal. And the biggest thing that I see with traders is strategy hopping. It's as simple as that. They go for one strategy, they try it for a week, they take they might win 10 times, and then they take that one loss, and they're like, bam, I wiped all my profits from all these. This strategy sucks. All right, so I go to this next strategy. This mentor said, oh, I'm going to buy this stock here. He actually won on it. He must be good. And then you see that the thing is, and do not try to copy trade. Do not copy trade. Understand why you're taking the thing. If anybody tells you why they're pumping a stock and they have no idea why, other than gut feeling, trying to alert members to, for it to go up, and then he sells to you guys buying it, that's a scam. All right. I know exactly, I don't need to pump stocks. I know that algos drive the market. So I look for crucial areas where algos buy. And my day trading strategy, no matter what, bear or bull market, I make money every day. It does not matter. And that's all in the videos that you guys are going to learn. Hope to see you guys in Discord. This is just a rant of the biggest mistake that I see in trading. And I've done it. We all have done it. And you're probably like, man, what the heck was I thinking? And just stick to one strategy, perfect it, refine it, execute, and just make it better. That's all you need to do. Stick to what your personality is, and your strategy will be that. All right, guys. Peace out. Happy trading.